Okay, I'm going to show you how to customize your navigation menu, the drop-down one. So in this little text edit window I have open, I have all of the links that you do want and where you want them to point. So this is in your Blogger dashboard if you just click on templates and then edit HTML. And then if you click somewhere within this box and click Command F, it'll pull up a small search box here. So the first thing we're going to edit, I already did the About tab. So the first thing we're going to edit is the hairstyle ebook dropdown. And if we go to your website right now, it's currently called Hairstyle Handbook. So we're going to search for that phrase, Hairstyle Handbook, in your Blogger dashboard. And you can see it highlights in yellow where the Hairstyle Handbook links are. So the first thing you could get confused about is the fact that on your existing menu there's a Hairstyle Handbook link under this Hairstyles tab, and then there's also the upper level link here. The one we want to be editing with is the upper level one. And the way you can tell the difference is by finding this spot that says top menu. Top menu means it's one of the top tier links. It's not a sub menu. Anyway, so that's how we know we're working in the right one, because we're going to work underneath that. If we worked above that, it would be in the hairstyles menu. Anyway, so we are going to rename this because you want it to be called Hairstyle Ebook. So we're going to change handbook to ebook. And then we are going to take this link for it inside of those quotation marks, copy by doing Command C, and then up here in this, where this pound sign or hashtag is, paste that link there. And that will make it so that link is now clickable. And we can preview it to make sure it's working right and we haven't messed up any of the code by clicking Preview Template. It takes a minute to think. And then, see, now it says Hairstyle Ebook, and if I click on Hairstyle Ebook, it takes me through to the Ultimate Hairstyle Handbook page. So that's working. So I'm going to go back to Edit Template. So the next thing we need to do to that drop-down menu, since we don't need Hairstyle Handbook to be there twice, we're going to take out the one that says the ebook. But there's something special about the first sublink of any of these. This first one has a special tag, so you can't just remove it all together. You have to move everything up. So it looks like we're going to be moving this one called the published book in place of the ebook. So what I'm going to do now is search for ebook, and right here where it says the ebook, that's the one we're going to be working on. So you can see this list class is the sub first, so we can't just delete this one. So what we're going to do is take we're going to take all of the links for the published book and move them up one. So we're going to take the URL from the published ebook and copy it here where it says the Ultimate Hairstyle Handbook. Then we're going to rename it paperback, because that's what you said you wanted it to be called if we were worried about space. And we're going to change where it says the ebook to paperback as well. So the link is ready. We've changed the name, so let's preview it and make sure that it's correct. Right now what we're expecting to see is a link underneath Hairstyle ebook that says paperback, but also one that says published ebook, because we didn't delete the published ebook one yet. So paperback and the published ebook. So now we're going to go ahead and delete the published book link. So click back on Edit Template, and you're going to type in the published book. And this whole list item we're going to delete. The start is when you see an open caret with list, and then when you see a closed caret list, but with the backslash. So that's gone now. And if we preview it again, now that link should be taken out of the drop-down menu. Yep, so right now it just is the hairstyle ebook, the paper book, and then the private ebook videos. And it looks like you want that to be changed to just private videos, but the link will stay the same. So we're going to click back to Edit Template and search for private ebook videos. And again, remember we have it in 2 different places. So we're working on the second one. We're just going to rename this. We'll just take out the ebook. And same with here. And preview to make sure it's correct. And now it just says private videos. So we did it right. So now let's take out this whole hairstyles tab, since you're going to be doing a side tab for that. So click back, Edit Template, and we're just going to search hairstyles. And the first one you see should be a top menu link, and it is. So that's the very start, and we have to find the ending, which will be right before the hairstyle handbook link, because these will go in order. So, let's just make sure we don't take anything wrong. The bottom one is the private ebook videos, so that can help us find what we're looking for right here. So this entire section we're going to erase. And then we'll click preview to make sure we didn't mess anything up. And it's gone, so that's good. So now I'm just going to save it, since we've done a considerable amount of editing and I wouldn't want to lose all that work. Next, I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing with my music and shop, and then advertise, I am, and contact me, and I can move things around as long as I take the entire tag set. So anyway, I hope that helps. Searching for the things that you're looking for is the easiest way to navigate through the HTML sheet. So good luck!